Tourism in Uganda is focused on Uganda's landscape and wildlife. It is a major driver of employment, investment, and foreign exchange. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Travel with Enock Jaqi. Last week on Travel with Enock Jaqi, we took you on a room tour at the Nile Village Hotel and Spa. We took a boat ride to the source of the Nile by Jinja Sailing Club and tasted delicious food at the Nile Village Hotel and Spa. This week, still about Jinja, we take you on a room tour at Gingernail Resort. We dine at Jinja Sailing Club and I take you back to my roots in Jinja. Thank you for watching Magic One TV. Travel with Enock Jaqi runs every Wednesday at 8:30 and repeats on Sunday at 5 p.m. Don't forget to connect with us on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube as Enock Jaqi. For more travel content about places we visited and reviewed, please visit our website www.valguide.co.za. My name is Enock Nsubuga, and the fun starts right now. Oh, by the way, let me be the first to wish a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays ahead. Located 60 miles, that's 100 kilometers east of Uganda's capital Kampala, Jinja is best known as an adventure playground. Famous for hosting the historic source of River Nile, Jinja has been dubbed the adrenaline capital of East Africa. Now, before I take you back to my roots in our travel experience of the week, here is a room tour of Jinja Nile Resort.
Hi, welcome back to Travel with Enock and Jaqi, and we're still hanging out here in the Stone City.
Oh yeah.
Where are we?
By the riverside.
Absolutely true. Straight from our patio across over there, you see the River Nile.
So tonight we are sleeping at Jinja Nile Resort, and right about now, let's give you a room tour. I'm going to show you something cool about this hotel, this resort, and here it is.
The key card.
Key card,
so cool.
Yeah. Forget your normal keys.
Yes. Yep. It's a key card that we're using to get in. Yeah. I love that already.
Love. So Jaqi, I'm not done yet. Let me show you some other cool stuff with this room. You look here.
Oh, yeah. So the lights.
Did you see that?
We gotta use the key card to have the lights on.
Yeah, insert to gain power.
So Naki just showed me some magical things about this room, but I love the sitting arrangement, the lounge. Like when you walk in, where he's sitting, I love these seats that we have. They're kind of woven and they're leather. That's really cool. I like where we get to chill and sit, but also our artwork is something you can't miss. This is back cloth. That is beautiful. And most importantly, I think the most catchy thing about this room, the moment you walk in, is the ceiling and the lights. That was my like, aha! Of course, look at the flow. This room is a mixture of designs. You walk in, then there's this tile, then there's this wood, and that just coordinates the entire room. So we have this when you walk in. There's our TV stand. We have a coffee station. We have water. Put our sheds in here, and we have a refrigerator in here. So this is about the entryway. It's like a lounge of sorts, bedroom lounge. So yeah, we have that coffee table, and Bill, come check this out. Oh, this is the trash can. It's nicely tucked away. This piece just matches with all the wooden pieces within the room, like the wooden stairs there, those two. Plus these here and this, I love. So we have a work desk right here, we have a calendar, we have a nice seat. And when we keep going, look at this. So we do have a mirror right here in this corner, and we have this shelf. Nice. So this shelf is attached to the wall. We put our luggage here, but we're gonna move it away to the closet. So we have a dresser here. This guy is a sonnet. Remember I told you about the power of twos? So you have our dresser in this corner, and right next to it is our work desk, directly facing our bed. This room is big enough for like a family, but it's just the two of us tonight, Enoch and I. This extra one, in case we have a fight, one of us will move here and one will stay on the big side. We're gonna look at the lights. I can't wait to talk about the lights, but let's first go to the closets. We haven't checked properly, settled in our stuff, but this is the closet. Beautiful. We have extra covers in here. Nice. We have a canopy. I keep telling you, one thing that defines a classy room, classy bedroom, is a canopy. But look at this ceiling. I told you the moment I walked in, the ceiling, the lights. Look at the lights here. This resort reminds me of the Mombasa hotels. Like if you've been to Mombasa, you get the feeling. I think the lights that give it a coastal feel. And look at these sconces, 1, 2, 3. And of course this, I love. And we have a nice art piece by the website that gives us a proper headboard. Of course we do have a headboard officially here. And that, so we have a lot of space tonight. Look at the crane. Come see a lovely bathroom tonight. So these are the hooks, towel hooks for your robe, for your towels, whatever it is you need. And our towels here, ready to use. First towel. All the curtain rods are actually wood as well. Do you see attention to detail? There's a lot of wooden details, but it's really cool, cute, and classy. And look at the colors. Very calm colors. It's not white, but it's calm. It's peaceful. So we have another trash can here. Oh, and we have a tray that holds our shampoo and the glass for brushing. This is nice. It's a nice vanity. Look at the vanity. The whole detail around the vanity is really nice. You see the wood. Oh, that's what I love the most. Naki hadn't seen that. And you must love this. This is the bathroom. Ta-da! So that's the bathroom. But what I love most about it is a small detail up here. It's modern because the reason it's modern, it's not local, but it's not a new thing. It's like a traditional style. So special thanks to Mother Group of Hotels for giving us a lovely weekend at such an awesome, comfy space tonight right here. This is about it for the room tour. I hope that you did love the room as much as we are gonna love it, but I'm sure you did pick something for your space. If you have a traditional home, this is the perfect room for you to see how cool and cute it is without trying so much.
Hope you enjoyed that detailed tour. For more information about the places we visited and reviewed, visit our website www.valguide.co.za. Still to come, our travel experience of the week, the people we meet, and our top place to eat this week. Now, in our travel experience of the week, I take you back to my roots. This is where it all starts. Watch. My name is Enock Jaqi, and I was born and raised in this then industrial town of Uganda. In 1988, we relocated to Oboja Road in this blue and white flat. Here I played and did everything kids do. On the street below us is Spire Road Primary School, one of the 3 primary schools that I went to. See, my father was a civil engineer, and every time he was posted in a new area of operation, we likely changed schools, reason why I ended up in many schools. When it came to entertainment, I loved movies and did everything to make sure I caught many from one of the cinemas Jinja Town had to offer. This week, I visited Odeon, now a church. I loved movies so much that I saved my break time money to watch them, which cost 200 at the time. When it wasn't movies, I went swimming at Jinja Club. There is a lot I can tell about this town, but to do that, I would need a whole show. To recap my back to my roots story, this week, here are a few interesting facts about Jinja. Jinja is the 2nd largest town in Uganda. Jinja is the 2nd busiest commercial center in the country after Kampala. Jinja was established in 1907. Before 1906, Jinja was a fishing village that benefited from being located on a long-distance trade route. The origin of the name Jinja comes from the language of the 2 peoples, the Baganda and the Basoga, that lived on either side of River Nile. In both languages, Jinja means rock. The majority of the population are of the Bantu origin, Lusoga being the main language. The distance between Jinja and Entebbe Airport is 91 kilometers. The road distance is 113.4 kilometers. Yeah, that is my story. What is your story? Share with us on our social media channels using our hashtag #TravelWithEnock Now, the people we meet. This week, we travel all the way to meet Sam. Sam is a barman at Jinja Sailing Club, and he has an interesting story.
My name is Abigail Samuel, a barman at the Jinja Sailing Club. Here we are going to do a blue broken margarita. What I need for that, I need a gold tequila and I need a blue liquor. I need some crusty ice. Secondly, I need some lemon and I need some salt. Some lemon juice, put in some tequila, then a blue liquor. I'll put some dash of sweeteners. Our blue broken margarita is ready to be served on the table. It's totally broken and you have to hold it with the 2 hands in order to enjoy.
So Sam, tell me, why the salt?
The moment you go for a shot of tequila, you need some salt as well as a lemon. In fact, this broken margarita, it's a signature cocktail. It was designed by me. As terms and rules for barmen, they tell you after making like 10 cocktails, you have to come out with 2, your own signature cocktails. I'm going to make a Long Island. It goes with 5 liquors. What I need is lemon, as well as I need some sweeteners, some ice cubes. I put 30 ml per liquor. Because of the color of Coca-Cola, that's why we call it long iced tea.
Amazing, isn't it? Do you love cocktails? What is your favorite? If given chance to create a cocktail, what name would you give it? Share with us on our hashtag Travel with Enock Jaqi on Facebook and Instagram. Hello and welcome to our top place to eat this week. Right now I'm seated with an amazing chef who is going to take us through what I think you would call food porn.
You're talking to Chef Shaban Bwire. Right in front of me, I have chicken breast with creamy mashed potato. We marinate our chicken breast overnight, then we keep for the ingredients to get infused inside, so that if you're eating, you eat not to feel the taste only the outer part, but also inside. Being accompanied with the creamy mashed potato, which has the herbs, white pepper, my cream, and the potatoes itself. Very delicious. On the table in front of you is what we call fish wanazi. Its origin is from Zanzibar. What we do, we roast our fish in the clay oven. Then after that, we top it with the coconut sauce. Very delicious to taste with our coconut rice and chapati. What we have here is chicken tandoori plated on a sizzler. It comes when it is very hot. We roast our chicken in the tandoori oven. Yeah, based with yogurt and Indian spices, being accompanied with a sauce called chatin, green chatin.
So what do we have here?
This dish is pork chop with vegetable rice, garnished with pineapple slice.
And then this design here?
That design, I have my vegetables. It's what we call a boat vegetable. The base is blanched baby marrow and seasoned very well. Then I lay my vegetables on the top. Both are edible. Right in front of me is my mouth-watering tandoori fish. With
is it different from this fish?
It's different from this fish. This one is based in tandoori oven. Charcoal based. We roast and we accompany it with chips. Right here is our house mouth-watering whole fish, deep fried.
Tilapia.
Yes, accompanied with the chips and then our Mexican sauce. In the center of my table, I have what we call the chapati papadam. It's an Indian starter. Yes.
So you simply break a little bit and
eat.
Do you have to use any sauce?
Yes, you can either use the green chatin of which I've explained. Others they may get interested in the mango chatin. You can enjoy it with mango chatin. It's very good. Yep.
So for those who love chili, this might be your thing. And our last dish?
Our last dish, right in front of us, it is the crumbled coco basket. After marinating, then we pass it through breadcrumbs, we shake off and then we deep fry. Delicious to taste, being accompanied with our shooter fries, or you can call it French fries.
Thank you, Chef Shaban.
You're welcome, sir.
Wow, don't you just love food? Well, that is all we had time for this week. Don't forget to stay safe and to protect the people around you by following all the Ministry of Health SOPs. Bye. See you next week on the same channel.